let's take a couple of minutes to unpackage this minimalistic wallet, load it up with everything that was in my last wallet, and then highlight some of its best features. First of all, it feels nice, and the magnets are really strong. They're actually sewn in there. There's 4 of them, so they're not obtrusive. They stay out of the way. Pretty cool. My last wallet broke finally, and so I've been using this temporary wallet that I had back in the 90s or early 2000s, and it's terrible. So I'm getting back to a minimalistic wallet again, and this one feels nice. That's a pretty cool feature right there. Actually, see how that little slot right there allows you to pull your most used card in and out really easy. The whole wallet is a little bit tight, not overly tight, just a little bit tight, but I know how this works. It's gonna loosen up, and so I think it's gonna end up being perfect. So I actually prefer it to be a little tight to begin with. All right, I can get 8 cards in there. I have my debit card, credit card, personal credit card. There's a receipt, some cash. My car key is a card. My grocery store card as well. My wholesale membership. So that right there is where my driver's license is going to go. I can't put that in there because it'll probably kick the video out. You'll notice throughout the whole thing there's a RFID blocking material just sewn into the entire wallet, which is pretty cool. It's a bit smaller, quite a bit smaller than my last one, and it is so much better. It's so much better. So all in all, I like the wallet. I think it's going to be perfect for my size. If you need something smaller, obviously this folds out, so that therefore it's twice as big as it could be. I need that because I have a little bit too much just to go with just 2 or 3 things, so I need the extra space, but it's not so big that it's uncomfortable. So big win. Reached out to the company, asked them for it. They sent it to me. They're very kind to do so. I didn't purchase this one, though I had purchased minimalistic wallets before. I would absolutely buy this one again. It's very affordable and pretty cool. It has a lot of the features that I like. So anyway, hope that helps. Oh, and I like the stitching. I like the brown stitching on the black. It just has a nice little pop to it. All right, take care.